Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this step down module which can lower the voltages of any given up to from 40 voltages to 1 voltages. So its module name is LM2596 DC to DC SW411. So this module lowers the voltage of given voltage up to lower voltage as you want it. So you can set it by the knob of this. So you can adjust the voltages by this knob, lower or the current voltage is getting or the lower voltage is getting. So I have set up like 12-volt battery, and we will see if we can lower the voltages of 12-volt battery to 1 voltage or 2 voltage. So I have connected the battery and it is giving around 1150 voltages from the battery, directly from the battery. So I'm gonna lower the voltage. As you can see, the voltages is coming in from this side and coming out from this side. It is also written in and out. So this is the in and this is the out. So now I'm going to turn the knob onto the right side and we'll see if we can lower the voltage. So I'm turning the knob onto the left side and it is decreasing the voltages, as you can see on the voltmeter. So I'm going to do it fast. So it is stepped down from 12 volt to so this is the lowest it can go. It is 1 2 3, and now we can go back from 1 2 3 to the original voltages it is getting. So it have gone into the maximum. So it can be used in a lot of projects, like where you want to get 5 voltage 3 voltages for projects like arduino or something. So it can be useful in those applications. So you can see it have turned on the light. The red LED light is on, so it is giving the full power. As it is going on to the left side knob, it will dim the light and it will not show any kind of light. So it is an indicator to show the voltage is coming or not. So this is a very basic kind of module, so to use in your projects. So maybe we will going to use this in our upcoming projects as well. So we can step down from 40 voltages up to 1 voltages, but also it will increase the ampere as well. So if you are using it for a longer time, you have to use the heat sink on the back side, because it will get very hot with that operation continuously. So this is a small information about this LM2596 DC to DC. So this is a small module which can be used in a lot of applications, projects. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to see other modules checking, you can search Umair's workshop and you can see all of them. So have a nice day. Bye.